Remember the family legal and ID shield. That's $72.90. So every family or every person that gets the $72.90, here's what you have an opportunity to earn. Anywhere from $80 to $416. So let's, for example, I'm going to make every one of you, that's right, raise your right hand and say, I'm an executive director. You are an executive director. So when you bring someone on like a Willie Talbert, guess what? I'll earn $80, but because there's no one between you and me, you're going to earn the difference where it says team override. That's $336. Imagine if you had 10 Willie Talberts. Oh my God, that's $3,000. Is that a mortgage payment, a car note, to help with the college tuitions? And ladies and gentlemen, what about our small business plan, right? This is our plus plan. That's the plus plan, which is $99, and our trial defense is what's $113.95. So every time a business owner purchases this plan every month, they're going to pay $113.95, but you're going to get $125 advance commission, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, no, excuse me. I will get the $125 because I'm just starting out. I'm an associate, but because you're an executive director, you're going to earn $650 off that $113.95 membership. You see it? And then the team override, the concept is still the same. So